As the long, scorching summer days in Arizona give way to the monsoon season, many homeowners welcome the cooler temperatures and much needed rain. However, this dramatic shift brings more than just relief from heat. It also introduces potential issues for your home's foundation. The intense downpours and clay-rich soil common in our region can lead to significant structural problems. I'm Justin, and today we're looking at how to safeguard your property during Arizona's most extreme weather season. In Arizona, the monsoon season is officially defined as June 15th through September 30th. It is characterized by a seasonal shift in wind direction that brings significant weather changes, including intense triple-digit heat, high humidity, and sudden heavy rainfall. These storms follow burst and break cycles, contributing over 32% of our annual rainfall. Along with the rain, we face flash flooding, strong winds, frequent lightning, and large dust storms. The real danger lies in how this water interacts with Arizona's unique soil. Clay soils are common throughout the state. They absorb moisture and expand, then shrink as they dry. This continuous cycle of swelling and contracting causes considerable damage to foundations. We also deal with caliche, which is concrete hard, and invasive root systems from trees like the sisu or Asian elm that aggressively seek out moisture beneath your home and shift concrete footings. During the monsoon, heavy rainfall leads to three major problems: foundation settlement, heave, and spalling. Settlement happens when saturated soil softens and compacts, causing the building's base to sink. Heave is the upward movement caused by moisture-swelled clay soil pushing against the foundation, often exacerbated because many Arizona homes lack gutters. Finally, spalling occurs when excessive moisture penetrates concrete pores, causing the surface to chip, flake, or crack. To address these issues, we use specialized techniques tailored for the region. Push piers and helical piers are robust solutions for stabilizing and lifting foundations by anchoring them into stable soil layers or bedrock. We also offer deep injection polyurethane, a less invasive technique where high-density foam is injected into the ground to fill voids, compact loose soil, and elevate the foundation with minimal disruption. Protection starts with water diversion. Ensure your home has well-installed gutters and downspouts to direct rain away from the foundation. Proper grading is also essential. You should regrade your soil to create a slope away from the house of about 1 inch per foot for at least 6 feet. Improving drainage with French drains or swales can further safeguard your property from standing water and erosion. Don't wait for foundation problems to escalate during the storm. Turn to the pros at Dalinghaus Construction to ensure your property remains stable and secure. Whether you're in Southern California, Arizona, or Nevada, our team is ready to provide you with a free inspection and the peace of mind you deserve. Contact us today and let's protect your home's foundation together. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.